Welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt, some meal planning, organizing tips, budgeting, and everything you need to live a more frugal life so you can pay off debt faster. I really enjoy helping people get their food budget under control because I feel like that's something when you're just getting started on your debt-free journey. It gives you like a little quick win, a little motivation to see that you can make some budget changes. And then for us at least, like once we saw we could reduce our food budget by so much, it gave us motivation to see what else we could cut from our budget. Today I'm showing you guys what will hopefully be motivating meal plan and prep. I'm making a bunch of breakfast and lunch ideas from my new kid-friendly breakfast and lunch plan. It's my newest meal plan in my shop and I'll link it in the description below. And it has 30 days of breakfast and lunch ideas that are super easy. The majority of them you can make ahead and freeze. You can make them ahead for the whole month or just for the week, or they're all easy enough where you can make them the morning of. And the reason for meal planning and prepping ahead is when it's done, you're way more motivated to stick to your meal plan because you're like, I have a ton of food already prepped, ready to go in my freezer, just need to pop it in the microwave to heat it up instead of stopping at McDonald's on the way home. Like, I have everything good to go. So I hope you will meal prep along with me and let's get started.
So the first thing we're making is a giant batch of pancakes. That way we can just throw them in the freezer and use them for breakfast all month.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
We often get frozen pancakes like at Kroger or Walmart or wherever we're shopping, and those are also a great option to get breakfast on the table, but it's obviously really cheap to just grab all the ingredients to make a giant batch of pancakes, so that's a great option if you're trying to save money. And we'll also use the same pancake recipe to make these like mini muffin bites that you'll see later in the episode. And also you can make waffle mix too. You just have to add a little extra oil. And now we're going to make some simple French toasts, which you can also cut into strips and make French toast sticks. And all of these breakfast recipes are freezable. And while we have the griddle out, we're going to make some bacon, and we can use this. You're going to see here I'm going to make breakfast sandwiches. You can also use it in wraps or just to have on the side for breakfast or like on top of salads. And I just really enjoy this bacon time lapse. I like to use egg McMuffins, English muffins for my breakfast sandwiches so that they're kind of like knockoff Egg McMuffins from McDonald's, but I could not find any at Walmart when I was shopping, so I just used bread. You can literally make so many different breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas using crescent rolls. So right now we're making these wrapped little smokies, which are perfect for lunch or even like an appetizer or a snack.
It's a good day today.
I'm using another can of crescent rolls to make pizza rolls. So this is a great option instead of buying like Totino's pizza rolls or serving pizza Lunchables. You can pop these inside your kid's lunchbox or even serve these for dinner or again for like an appetizer or snack.
It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
Now we're making a sweet version of the crescent rolls, and this is strawberry and cream cheese. And this is kind of like a breakfast pastry or Danish or something like that. So you can also put Nutella in these or cinnamon and sugar with butter to have like a cinnamon crescent roll. There's so many different ways that you can make these fun and new every morning for your kids.
It's just us two, me and you.
Now I'm just mixing up some waffle mix, and it's basically just the pancake mix recipe with extra oil added. And you can get all these recipes and all of these breakfast and lunch ideas in my new kid meal plan, and I will link that in the description below.
I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends.
We got this Belgian waffle maker as a wedding gift, and I honestly thought we would never use it, but we use it so often to make waffles. And you can also see, which you'll see me do here in a minute, you can add chocolate chips or blueberries or whatever you like in your waffles, and it's just such a fun way to mix up breakfast.
It's just us two, me and you.
Obviously, we've got to make some good old peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to put in the lunch boxes, and you'll see I have this cool little sandwich cutter that makes them into DIY Uncrustables. So if you get the Uncrustables from the store, obviously it's like way more expensive than doing this, and you can actually pop these in the freezer and then put them in your kid's lunchbox, and they'll defrost in perfect time to have a yummy, perfect crustless peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. Also, you can save the crust, put it in the food processor, and make breadcrumbs and get extra use out of everything so that you're not wasting.
Still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Now we're making some 3-ingredient peanut butter and Cheerio bars. You can also use honey for this, but of course honey is a lot more expensive than syrup, so I use syrup to whip these up. But they're really easy. These are no bake. You just have to melt the peanut butter and the syrup, and then kind of like Rice Krispie treats with marshmallows, but it's peanut butter, and you just throw in the Cheerios, and they make really fun bars. So it can be really expensive to buy like breakfast bars and things like that. So this is a really frugal option.
When you're around me, I know you've got secrets.
Are your kids as obsessed with Entenmann's Little Bites as mine are? Because they are very expensive. Even when they're on like the buy one get one free on sale, they're still really expensive. So these are just mini pancake bites. You just need a mini muffin tray and pancake mix and add chocolate chips. And they are very similar to the little mini muffins. And so really fun, cheaper option to mini, like the store-bought mini muffins. I also wanted to make mini egg bites, but I ended up using my full-size muffin tray because I used both of my mini muffin trays to make a giant amount of mini muffins. So these are basically like little omelets on the go, and they're perfect for a quick and easy breakfast. You just microwave them to heat them back up, and you could add sausage or ham or bacon or anything you want to them. And I had a bunch of leftover pancake mix, so I wanted to make or try making sheet pan pancakes, and they turned out really good. Now I'm just labeling some freezer bags, and I'll use some reusable bags as well, which I'll link below. I hope this gives you some motivation to get some meal prep done this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my new kid-friendly meal plan below. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and comment below with any other videos that you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down.